Hi my lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna learn how to make this beautiful hairstyle. So if it's something you love to achieve, keep on watching to the end. So guys, I will be using these two Brazilian roll to achieve this hairstyle. So I'm using this rolling stick to measure it. So I'm going to roll it on the stick. Then when I finish rolling it, I will use the rubber band to secure the edges. And yeah, just keep on watching the process that I'm going to use to achieve this hairstyle. So guys, the hair is completely dry, so I have to remove it from the stick. And yeah, look at the coil. So I got to measure it into 3 parts because the 2 part was too long, so I have to measure it, and I will brush the tip so it can give me that natural looking. So guys, it's time for me to crochet this on the canvas here. So yeah, I'm going to place the crochet pin, then I will open the hole and grab the hair, then I will pull it out and create a knot 2 times. And I'm going to repeat this process all around, because the reason why I'm creating the knot 2 times is because I want the hair to be more secure, tight for me. And yeah, just this hair, I'm just doing it step by step for you to understand. It's just a safe explanation. So keep on watching your video and enjoy your video. So before then, let me quickly appreciate you guys. If today is your very first time stopping by my channel, come closer, come closer. Hi, hello darling, you're welcome to the family where we sleep on a low budget. And for my return subscriber, thank you for always coming to support your gear. So guys, if you have watched my video to this very point and you have not subscribed to my channel, my darling, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscription button so that each time I upload a video like this, you will be the one to see it first. So thank you for subscribing to my channel. So yeah, this is the hair, and we are almost done with this hair. And look at the result, the front. So I have to brush this hair to give me that natural look hair, and I have to also trim off the excess hair for this hair. So I'm using this comb clip, so I'm stitching it on the hair so I can attach it on my natural hair. So, and like what I said earlier, it's gonna be a center part. So you see that I cut the center, like I trim off the center part. So my natural hair is ready. I already cornrows my hair off camera, so it's just for me to secure it, like just for me to install this hair, this wig on my natural hair. And this hair was a bit simple for me, and if you follow this step, it's gonna still be a bit simple for you to achieve. It's just a simple, beautiful. And this hair, everybody was asking me, this is your natural hair? So just to grab that attention, and I'm using this KAIMA Edge wash to lay down the hair so it can look more natural for me. And yeah, there is a final result. Just take a look, take a look at your baby girl. Look at me now. Look at how this hair was making me glowing. This hair was very beautiful. And if you have watched this hairstyle, thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and hit the subscription button, share my video to get to more people, and also comment down what is your thought about this hairstyle, and also like. And I'm gonna see you on my next video. Let me know the style, which one is your perfect. Bye.